Okay, question 2, and then seriously, I think I'm done. So question 2, I've got my handy dandy formula, and I've also brought this over because I absolutely need to have a look and remind myself when I do stuff and when I'm not supposed to. So here we go. Question 2, find the size of angle RPQ. RPQ. Remember when it asks you for an angle, the middle one is always the vertices. So it's this angle. Because if you said to me, well, you're not giving me an angle, you're giving me two sides. You're giving me R and P and Q. No, that's just one way of saying this is angle RPQ. So we want to know what is this. And we're given 3 sides, actually. This side, and this side. So we're given two sides and, look, it's cozy in there. It's cozy, so it's cosine. See how it's cozy in there and it's cosine. So we're going to use the cosine rule. Okay, cosine rule. Let's see how we do with this. I haven't done this one, so hang in there. Let's see how we do. I haven't done it in a while. A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC. You can see I'm just copying the formula down here. Cosine A. All right, here we go. So our cosine A is obviously going to be this little guy. So this is A. So then this must be A. And if this is A, then this could be B and this could be C. This is what's important, deciding what is A here. Okay. And now I'm going to pop in the formula. So I have 13 squared equals 9 squared. Remember, it could have been this one. Could have been the other. It's fine. Plus C squared minus 2 times B times C times the cos of A, which we don't know. That's what we want to know. Let me just erase this because this looks like somehow a negative there. Okay, so now I'm going to start farting around with these numbers. Hang on one sec. Okay, so I haven't finished my calculations yet, but I want to show you where I'm at so far. So I have 13 squared is 169. We know that. 9 squared is 81. We know that. 15 squared is 225. We know that. Minus 2 times 5 times 15 is negative 270 times the cosine of A. So now we're going to try to isolate A or make A the subject. And so what I do is what did I do? I took this amount and I brought it over here, and now I have negative 137. Do you see that? So now I'm at negative 137 equals negative 270 times the cosine of A. So now I'm going to divide by negative 270, which will cross that out. But what I do to one side, I do to the other. And this equals 0.5074. Keep that in your calculator. And now I have that equals the cosine of A. But I need A by itself. So remember, when I need A by itself, because I'm trying to find the angle, I'm going to pop my cosine on the other side. When I do that, here's my A. Sorry, I don't have to put it in brackets. Here's A. I'm coming over here now. That equals to cosine, the arc of cosine, or cosine to the negative 1 that you pop in your calculator, then your answer, whatever your answer is. And that should give you an angle of 59.5 degrees. Ta-da! That's what this is, 59.5. Yay. Good night, dudes.